Hey, what's up? This is a quick product review. I made like 2 videos already. However, I'll just get right into it. I believe this is the ultimate GoPro setup. I don't like the ones currently on YouTube with shotgun mics, and it just looks tacky. What I do is I use a DJI receiver with the transmitter, and for me, it's a good setup. So I'll go over the different components of it. So what I have here, this is a Sandmark ND filter, variable filter. It just pops on and off. It does come with this nice case right here for storage. That just pops back on. And for bright sunlight. I do use snap mounts. So snap mount is, I love a snap mount because I can just do this to the GoPro. I can just take it off. Now I can just put the GoPro on myself with the lanyard, GoPro lanyard, just snap it on a backpack, and it's good to go. Yeah, like that. Snap mounts. Here's a clutch. I do use it for, that wasn't on all the way. Just keep your screens clean, dust free. Just presses on. Yep, like that. And I use a Hawk-Tight. So what this does, it just clips, it just snaps on. So this is this part of the microphone. I like these because it's an easy assemble. So say, for example, I am in the studio and then I want to go vlog, but I want to vlog and use the other camera, the one that I'm filming with now. So I still use the same microphone, and I don't want to change anything. I do see the benefit of a shotgun mic because you don't have to keep changing it. So this is my setup where I can just use this H18, and here I had to super glue the bottom of this. When I mean the bottom, I actually mean this base plate right here. You can't see it because it's padded, but I super glued this part. So now this piece here, this code shoe is permanent. Sorry. Okay. And it just comes off. When I'm charging it, it'll come off. However, when I am using my gear, yeah, I got dogs. So. Chihuahua thinks he's a pit bull. You know how that goes. Okay, and this cable right here, it is long. It's not the official setup. It's because I don't know how to record good quality audio without having the microphone. So I'll take it off real quick to show you what it will look like without the audio, and so without the audio cord attached. So I'll show you the minimal look to it.